Hello, our art friend. Today in Kirikanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Bob the Minion. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. First, draw 2 circles for the eyes. Then draw an incomplete circle around each one and connect them together to make the glasses. To complete the eye, draw a smaller circle inside. And an even smaller one inside it. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other eye. Color the pupil, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw a curve for the top of the head. Draw a vertical line coming down on each side of the glasses. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a rectangular shape on each side. Then 2 lines connecting it to the side. Draw a wavy line coming down diagonally from the side, then another line under it, connecting them together at the corners. Repeat the same step on the other side to make the color of the jacket. Draw a curved line connected to a half circle to make the smiley mouth with teeth at the top. Draw a vertical line coming down from each side to make the sides of the body. Connect the right collar to the right side with a curved line. Make a horizontal line at the left side to finish the jacket. Draw 2 half rectangles at the bottom of the jacket for the feet. Draw a line coming down from the right collar, connected to the jacket. Make the color of the sleeve, then the hand. On the left side, at the level of the mouth, draw a curved line going up then to the left, and another similar one next to it. Then connect them together at the top with a curve, making the top part wider than the lower one. At the bottom of the stick, draw the mirror image of the letter C, then extend lines going down to finish the hand. Extend the 2 lines of the stick down to the level of the feet, then connect them to finish the hockey stick. Draw a half circle under the hand, then a curved line coming down intersecting the stick for the arm. Decorate the jacket with the letter C on the left side. Connect the upper and lower part with a curve. Draw 2 horizontal lines coming out. Draw a triangular shape with a circle in the middle. Decorate the jacket with small lines at the edges. Cute! Now you can draw Bob the Minion. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. Don't forget to use different colors for Bob's eyes. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.